Kenya has sent troops on a mission inside and outside Africa, but no African country has led a security mission outside the continent. Kenya's move into Haiti would be the first. Now, many are calling this decision unconstitutional and say that the country is only in it for the potential monetary gains.
In Haiti, the U.S. has invaded the crisis-driven nation time and time again for over 100 years, invasions that have led to civilian casualties and violence, forced labor, coups, and strong economic dependency on the United States. Joining us now to discuss the current situation is the executive director of the Institute for Justice and Democracy in Haiti.
Well, this mission has been several years in the making. It was conceived of by the Prime Minister of Haiti, Ariel Henry, who was an unconstitutional prime minister, repressive, corrupt, but supported by the United States. And he created the mission as a way to prop his government up against rising popular opposition. Now, Ariel Henry has resigned as prime minister a few weeks ago, and he's out of office. But many Haitians see the mission as a continuation of support both for the PHTK party and for the U.S. intervening in internal affairs in Haiti.
I mean, what it does feel like is that because there's so much domestic opposition, frankly, to America putting U.S. troops on the ground in Haiti, that the Kenyan troops have become a sort of a workaround. It goes not unnoticed that Kenya is one of the largest recipients of U.S. aid. How should people perceive this? Is this, in fact, America avoiding kind of domestic outrage at sending U.S. troops in by basically paying for another country that has pretty significant aid needs to send its own troops to do the U.S.'s political bidding?
That's exactly it. These troops are going to have to go into poor neighborhoods, or what they are going to do, because that's what happened last time international troops came in trying to go after the gangs. They're going into poor neighborhoods and they're going to start shooting. They're going to shoot some suspected gang members. They're going to shoot many women, children, men, people with no connections to the gangs. And the Biden administration, for very good reason, does not want cell phone videos of American troops doing that shooting during an election year. So they reached out to other people. Canada was asked first. Canada refused. CARICOM refused. Brazil refused. West African countries refused. And finally, Kenya agreed because Kenya needed the money. And in fact, a Kenyan minister just last week, in trying to develop in support in Kenya for the mission, said, yes, we're doing this for the money. We're getting a lot of money out of this. And so it really is the Kenyan troops. Kenya had not had diplomatic relations with Haiti before August. So here is Kenya coming 7,000 miles to a country that it has no historical ties with, really to do the U.S.'s bidding at probably a cheaper cost, but also a cheaper political cost for the Biden administration.